everybody, it's Valerie here, and Little Tikes just sent us this really cool water slide. It is called the Slam and Curve Slide. So it's called that because there's a basketball hoop where you can slam dunk. Where's the basketball? Oh, there it is. Can you slam dunk? Oh no, come on Toby, try again. Yeah! Wipe out. And then here you can jump. You can jump right here. And there's a little rock wall. And up here there's a sprayer, which is awesome. And then a water slide, which is super fast and awesome. Woo! And this area can be a little pool. Can you swim in there yet? Not really, it's more like a slip and slide. We have to have it fill up some more. Yeah, jump, jump, jump. This part's awesome. It's like a mini little bounce house there. And then he said, woohoo! How long have you been playing with this already?
I think an
An
hour.
hour? Are you tired or not yet? Not yet, yeah, because it's so cool. Uh-huh. You're almost as tall as a one-story house there, huh? 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! This is so perfect for the summer. I think it's already 90 degrees today, so my kids totally needed to cool down. Uh-oh, Toby has a sprayer! What's great is the Slam and Curve Slide does come with a blower. So you have everything you need, and the box isn't even that big. Are you getting cold, huh? Yeah? Are you cold? Not yet? You should keep on playing then. Toby's having a great time. Woohoo! I think this part's totally one of my favorite parts too. Jumping. I actually climbed up this wall here and it was pretty fun. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Uh-oh. I think we're going to have some friends come over in a little bit and play with this too. Woohoo! Ah, man, I can hardly wait to go on this, huh? Should I get my swimsuit on? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out. Let's see if I don't break it. Ooh, it's cold water. And 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, that is cold.
That's a wipeout.
Because we're having so much fun with this Little Tikes water slide, actually without some water, but it is pretty hot. And we're going to open up some season 3 Smooshy Mushy ice cream cones. This will be really cool. Woohoo! Are you excited? Yeah, let's see. Come over here. Whoa, isn't that cool? Oh wow, so pins for your shirts. Not good for the bounce house right now though. Oh, that is so cute. An ice cream cone. Do you want to open it? Yeah, that's my favorite flavor. And I wanted to show you this. It says 100% cuteness. Oh, these are new. Smooshy Mushy Besties, Season 3. That's actually kind of hard to say. Looks like a little food container. Okay, so I think you just pop open the top. Let's see. So you unscrew the ice cream. They have a frog. Oh, that is so cute. Is there anything else inside? Oh, cool. Did we get an ice cream cone? Yay! Awesome. Is that squishy? Or, oh, you open that up and then screw it. Okay, we'll open yours in a second. What's in there? Oh, cool. 2 little chains. Okay, so now we're opening up the besties, and oh my goodness, my favorite. I love pineapple so much. Oh, does it smell too?
It smells good.
Oh, it smells good. Yay. Oh, that is adorable. Perfect for the summertime. Okay, we're opening up another one. What is that? A penguin? Oh wow, this is totally my favorite series. These are so cute. Look at that. Oh, let's see the frog again. Oh, and it has ice cream on top too. These are so adorable. And just so you know, they only sell these at Walmart, I think. And the besties, there's another blind bag. It's a mystery. Let's see what it is. Something orange. This is ice cream. Oh, cool. Ice cream sandwich. Does it smell good? Yeah, good. Let's have our froggy go down the slide. Ready, set, go. Woohoo! Smooshy Mushy. So we got some specialty pins here. Those are really cute. And I forgot to show this. And look at this. Smooshy Mushies sent us a free ice cream cone at Baskin-Robbins. Just to celebrate the brand new Smooshy Mushies. Thank you. Well, everybody, I rate this Slam and Curve Little Tikes slide a 5 out of 5. It is so fun and just, I don't know, I feel like it's a perfect size for your backyard. It's not too huge, but definitely big enough to have a lot of fun. Woo! Next time, slide all the way! Well, everyone, please remember to like this video and subscribe and check out more videos.
I got that.
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel with Max and baby Eli. And today we're going to show you this really cool 2-step dishwasher play set. It is perfect for any play kitchen. Hey Max, what is in the sink?
Dirty dishes.
Dirty dishes?
What are dishes?
Oh boy, you have a scrubby. Here's this. What should you do? Whoa, you're going to do the dishes. That's a lot of soap. Okay, so now we need some water and we're going to do the dishes. You think baby Eli will help or just kind of eat food?
We need water.
Okay, so this sink does not actually have water, so you have to add some. And whoa, Max is adding a lot of water. Maybe this side too. Woo! Can you use the scrubby and wash dishes? Oh yeah, you gotta turn on the faucet. And then use the scrubby. Good job. Oh, this is so cute. This is the first time Max or Eli has done the dishes, and I don't know, is Eli just dumping things on the ground? So right over here it says dishwasher and sink, and there's a power and main button. Oh, that's so fun. Eli likes playing in the water. Oh my goodness, splash. Are you washing that fork good? Where's the scrubby? Eli, you're getting really soapy. So Max and baby Eli did a pre-rinse right here in the sink. And now we're going to put everything in the dishwasher part. Oh, this is cool. Looks like there's some french fries. That's random. We'll take that out. Oh, and a blind bag. Yeah, you can open it. Let's see what we get. Superman! Whoa! A Superman Thomas train. Let me see. That is so cool. That is awesome. Do you think that the Superman train needs to go in the dishwasher? Okay, put him in the dishwasher and then put all of the plates and everything else there too. So our first plate, oh, good job. Yeah, they go right there on the lines. Yeah, that's good. You can have it lean over. So there's the plates, then the fork, and then we still have the cups to put in there. Maybe Eli's outfit's really wet, huh? But you like playing in the water. Oh, and Max, you're wet too. Why don't you put the cups in the dishwasher so we can start the machine? Open it up. Good. Oh, 1 cup, 2. Close. Okay, now let's turn on the power button. Let's see, which one is it? I think we hit the red normal button. Yep, good. Good job. Now press the on button. It's this one right here. Oh, you pressed rinse and hold. Okay, and then I'll press on. There we go. You're so good at helping, huh, Max? Whoa! Woo! Yay! Well, lots of soap. I think he splashed out all the soap. Well, now it's time to see if our dishes actually got cleaned. And whoa, they look sparkly clean, huh, baby Eli? Are you ready to eat now that we have some clean dishes? Close. Maybe not. Well, baby Eli, why don't we have a picnic with Max? Here. We have these 2 plates, a cool leapfrog picnic basket, some soapy cups. Ooh, maybe this isn't a good idea. And let's open up the picnic basket. Oh, we have a cracker with cheese, a cookie, and a watermelon. Here. Oh, I think he likes a sandwich. I do rate this playset a 5 out of 5. It is super cute, and my kids do love playing with it. I think it's actually probably really good to play with outside because it can be messy. Yeah, look at Max. Are you messy? Now, Toy Collector fans, I was wondering, do you like doing the dishes? I actually really do. I like washing dishes, so you can write down in the comment section if you do. Well, thanks for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe. Goodbye, and have a great day.
The bus is broken, but I got this. And let's mobile. Do I look cool? Look at this. Wait, there's my Geckos mobile. Is this better? I thought so. Oh yeah. Great drive is very good, but the wheel stuck. Frozen. Oops. Hey, I think I'm sitting on something. Oh, ha. Gecko wrote something. Dear Ninjalino, don't drive my car. You are a bad driver. What? I'm a good driver. Watch me, I'm a good driver. Go. Vegetables not happen. Don't tell Gecko about that. Go. I scratched the paint. Oh no. Not again. These stuck to the wheel. I'll try this one more time. Almost fell off. Why? This is stuck. I guess I'm not a good driver. I better park this. Yeah. Before Gecko comes, I hope Gecko doesn't find out. I go red. I better hide. After me, I will let Night Ninja stole her car and I have to help her get it back. Good thing Night Ninja never took my car. I even wrote a note to make sure of that. What in the name of geckos is going on? Look, there's a big scratch in here. Grass poking. Ow, pokey. Oh, and what the? He ripped and crumbled my paper? Who did this? I'm guessing this was Night Ninja. Let's see what he did with the gas. Oh, sweat. He tore the other paper I had. Let's see. Night Ninja. I'm happy that I wrecked your car. Hope I can do it again. Oh my gosh, Night Ninja. Oh, what am I going to do? If only I knew where Night Ninja was. Wait, what? What's in there? Night Ninja! Wait. Sorry, I'm not a good driver, Gecko. Okay, where's our Let's Car? I'll help you. Good. One good thing about him. Oh my gosh! Look at all those dots! Watch me, I'm a good driver. What are you doing? See? Good driver. I guess that wasn't too bad. Night Ninja, after the turn the towelette. You will not get it. And don't get my car either. I'm glad our Let's Car is safe, and so is mine. Hey! Give that back. Woohoo! I'm driving like a Night Ninja. It's like an amusement park when you crash. You roll, you flip, you crash. Look, I'm not climbing. I'm not going. He's stuck in the wheel. Get out,